In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then go ahead and select Settings right here at the bottom. And what you're gonna do once you are on this screen right here is to select Privacy. Under Privacy, go ahead and select Contacts. And here is where you can see every single contact that you have blocked. To unblock a person, what you're gonna do is to select Block. Go ahead and find the person that you wish to unblock. And what you're gonna do is to simply scroll down to the bottom and you're gonna see the option to unblock the person. Go ahead and select it, and that's it. Now all you have to do is to open up a new conversation with this person, and now you're able to message them. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.